So we know we're expecting big weather changes. Obviously, California is going to be getting hit first, and that storm is moving closer to Utah. So let's check in with Nate Larson to find out more on what we're expecting to see this weekend. And Nate, when are we going to see some snow?
Tomorrow. Tomorrow's too warm. Yeah, you're going outside, it feels like spring outside. Temperatures are in the 60s today for highs, but we're going to drop a lot over the weekend, and it's going to feel like winter. Yeah, don't put the winter coats away just yet. Even snow blowers, get those out, especially for some of the bench areas. Boy, what a gorgeous sunrise we had this morning. Scott Taylor out flying the drone actually right here near ABC4. That's the Colonial flag shot. You can see our building off on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen there. We talked about the winds that have been whipping. In fact, wind gusts in the valleys. Look at Milford, 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Again, these are in the valleys. Typically, we see these stronger wind gusts over the higher peaks. 52 in Cedar City is the wind gust so far, 36 in Salt Lake, Evanston 40, 32 in Rock Springs. Now, these wind gusts are going to continue to remain fairly elevated, if not even stronger, into tomorrow as our cold front approaches. Futurecast showing some showers. We do have a little chance of some valley rain, mountain snow continuing over our far northern mountain areas throughout the remainder of today into tomorrow. I think any rain likely north of I-80. Otherwise, we'll see the clouds and these mild temperatures continue along with the wind. Now, the cold front, it's a very robust cold front. It's going to bring a big drop in temperatures. It's also channeling a lot of these winds that we're seeing today into tomorrow. So high wind warnings really kick off as we get into tomorrow. Plan on wind gusts anywhere from 70 to 75 miles an hour. Can't be ruled out for these valleys in southwest and south central Utah. So this isn't to be taken lightly. If you've got trampolines outdoors that you've already set up, really need to secure those, even put those away if you can. Outdoor patio furniture, decorations. This is a big wind event, as well as this is a big storm for the mountain areas of Utah, with temperatures dropping to where we'll see snow levels down to the valley floors, and we should see some accumulating snowfall into Sunday with this moist westerly flow continuing behind the front on Sunday. This is overnight into early Sunday morning. Secondary front moves through Sunday late morning into the afternoon, and we should continue to see fairly active conditions throughout the day Sunday before things kind of quiet down some on Monday with just a little bit of lingering residual moisture as well. So snow potential, again, feet of snow expected for the mountain areas, generally 10 to 24 inches possible. Some of the upper cottonwoods could have closer to 30 inches. Central valleys, 2 to 5. The southern valleys, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches. 2 to 6 inches along the northern Wasatch Front could have some isolated amounts that are higher. Benches anywhere from 3 to 8 inches as well. So a really good storm system. The snow arrives Saturday afternoon, and it should linger into Sunday. Of course, winter alerts to correspond with some of those snowfall amounts. These winter storm warnings really kick off tomorrow for much of the mountain areas south of I-80. Already in effect through 11 o'clock tomorrow for the mountains north of I-80, so the Wasatch Range, the Bear River Range as well. And then these light blue shaded areas, these are winter storm watches for the valley locations, the Wasatch Back, which will kick off Saturday morning until Sunday evening. So valleys, as I mentioned, generally 2 to 5 inches of snow could have locally higher amounts. So travel impacts, of course, on this is even today with some of the stronger winds are going to be elevated as far as the hazardous conditions up in the mountain areas with the blowing and drifting snow on top of the heavy snow that's expected to come down. So if you've got plans to travel this weekend, be sure to check road conditions before you head out, or maybe avoid travel into those higher elevations altogether where we're going to have a lot of wind and blowing snow. 67 for the high today in St. George. Showers expected, 61, 54 on Sunday. Isolated potential, mid-50s on Monday for the high. So some wet weather over the weekend in southern Utah, cooler temperatures, and then we'll get back to another chance of showers Wednesday, Thursday. But the wind is the biggest issue, I think, leading into the storm system this weekend. The Wasatch Front, some showers mainly north of I-80 throughout the late afternoon and evening, 63 for the high, 54 on Saturday, very windy conditions. And then as the front rolls through, temperatures are going to plummet. We'll just be in the upper 30s on Sunday. Scattered snow showers continuing with a slight chance on Monday. And then we'll dry out some on Tuesday, bit of a break. More moisture could be here Wednesday and Thursday with cooler than normal temperatures for the middle of next week. Jillian?